And the race is on. Late Choice from the outside, rising up Dico Akalain. Mama Don't Reach running by the alongside his Boss General and Handsome Bodman. Late Choice this time by some 6 lengths, followed by Mama Don't Reach. Dico Akalain alongside, running down on the inside is Handsome Bodman. And Boss General is running at the tail of the field by about 7 or 8 lengths of the leader. Back to the leader, Late Choice by some 4 lengths, followed by Mama Don't Preach and some Birdman. In between runners, Dico Akalain and Boss General. Another far turn, Late Choice by some 2 lengths, Mama Don't Preach, Boss General, Handsome Birdman, Dico Akalain in the middle as they race the last 500. Late Choice, Mama Don't Preach, Boss General as they race the final corner. Late Choice by a length and a half. Mama Don't Preach from the outside, Boss General. But still Late Choice and Mama Don't Preach fighting for the lead. Mama Don't Preach, Late Choice down on the inside fighting back. Late Choice, Mama Don't Preach, Mama Don't Preach, Late Choice, Mama Don't Preach, and finally close. Late Choice, Mama Don't Preach, Boss General, Dico Akalain, and Handsome Bodman comes last.
Dikit yun eh.